In this video, I will show how to fix mouse not working in your Windows PC or laptop. So firstly, press Windows key plus R. Now here type deb mgmt.msc. Now press enter. Now here you will see this device manager. Now use tab. Now use down arrow keys. Now in mic and other pointing devices, use right arrow key. Now one time down arrow keys. Now right click on your keyboard. So press right button. Now on mic and other pointing devices, here click on right arrow. Now down arrow, press enter. Now use tab. Now right arrow on driver. Now use tab. On uninstalled device, press enter. Now again, press enter. So it will uninstall mouse driver from your system, and once you restore, so it will restore automatically, and once you restart, so after restart, this driver will automatically installed in your system, and hopefully mouse will work. So thanks for watching, and comment this method work for you or not. Alt plus F4, you will see this window. Here use down arrow, and once you see restart, just press enter. So this way guys, you can fix this problem, mouse not working. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.